Firstly, I'm just really impressed at this ramp. It's the longest runway I've seen in my life. I mean, the models must have really had to work a lot.
Really
they must
hard,
be
right?
exhausted.
Hannah?
I mean, walking up and down this really long ramp.
They've broken a sweat already.
But yeah, it's great. I mean, when Arrow came to me and they said that they're launching this very innovative shirt, and I mean, this is the first shirt that has been made without a stitch on it, and that's really, really incredible. So I wondered, how is it going to feel once you wear it, and what is the difference really that you see between a shirt which doesn't have a stitch on it and a shirt which is glued on, like this one, you know. And if you see, I don't know, if somebody's wearing a shirt with a stitch on it, if we can see their shirts, anybody who's got stitches on their shirts, you will see that shirt pucker up because of the stitching.
Kind of wrinkles up, puckers
Yeah,
up there.
if you see it, there are no wrinkles. And there's no puckering that happens. And that's quite cool. And in fact, the fabric is really comfortable. And you can really, I'm feeling great in it. And I'm really, really happy that I have this limited edition shirt and one of the few. And they make what, only 100 shirts they manufacture?
So not only is it the first shirt which is stitchless, you also become the first man to wear a stitchless shirt.
Yeah,
Even I haven't got a stitchless shirt yet.
Wow. Yeah. So, I mean, actually that's true. I'm the first man to wear a stitchless shirt. हाँ विजय, तीर भी निशाने पे लग जाए, बस यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि बहुत ही बढ़िया शर्ट बनाई है. ऐसी शर्ट कभी दुनिया में नहीं बनी है, तो जिसमें किसी ने इसमें स्टिचेस नहीं है, तो उम्मीद यही करते हैं कि एरो की तीर बिल्कुल अपने निशाने पे लग जाए. You know, I think everybody is stylish. I think everybody is unique, and I think you should celebrate uniqueness, and uniqueness is style. You know, because each one is different. Each one has, and that difference becomes their style. So I don't know how to define my sense of style or whatever. I just wear things that I'm comfortable in, and comfortable clothing is the most important thing to me. That doesn't mean I'm only dressed in shorts and a t-shirt. I do wear suits, but they have to be comfortable. I do wear nice shirts, and they have to be Arrow stitchless now. You know, I be honest with you, I don't go and shop that much. My stylists go out there and they shop and they get whatever they have to. But if I have to go, I think New York is really nice because it's got everything. London's nice, Paris is nice. And Mumbai, I hope, will get there soon. And so then it'll be easier to shop here as well. I mean, you don't wear formals every single day, you know. You wear clothes according to the occasion. And whenever I love wearing suits, I love wearing formal clothing also, but you can't wear them every day. So yes, of course, you see me every day most of the times, and you mostly see me when I'm filming or I'm shooting or I'm moving around somewhere, so you'll see me more in casual wear. But if you come to an event or there's a function where you have to dress formally, you dress formally, and I like to wear formal clothing as well. अभी तो 3 रिलीज हो गए मेरे, तीनों तीर छोड़ दिए मैंने और सही गए, और तो अब बस थोड़ा आराम कर रहा हूँ. दूसरे लोगों को अपने तीर चलाने दीजिए, उसके बाद वापस मैदान पे आएंगे. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया फिल्म होगी ऋतिक की, और क्रिश बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रही है. मैंने भी कुछ ऐसे पढ़ा है कि आसाराम बापू के किरदार में मुझे लेना चाहेंगे, मगर मेरे ख्याल से बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.